who got a gift for Mother's Day? Me. Yep. I did.
Did you say you're on your way?
Welcome back, guys. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. Comment in the comment section. If you're your mother, your sister, your cousin, any the mothers them out there. Yes, them out there, the good ones, they deserve good things, right? Right. So I have my little box right here. So I'm gonna get something for Mother's Day. Am I a mother? Am I expecting? Who knows? Anyways, I'm gonna get something. This is something I made like have on our website, and I got it for Mother's Day. Well, I never bought myself it. No, I didn't. I'm gonna get it as a gift. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm so excited. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. You see? Why the box so big? Alright. So, oh my. Yeah, so this is a little paper. Will come in there for sure, like they're not sure the price or anything, but my name, address, blah blah blah, who it come from. Yeah, the personal stuff is on this. Yeah. Anyways, let me get into it. So this is the packaging. This is it. So it's a Coach bucket bag. See, it has its little drawstring at the front. And it's a crossbody. So you can wear it like this. You can attach it and wear it like this. And also have the crossbody part. Yeah, attach it and wear it like this. Isn't this a cute gift? I didn't match my dress, so and it comes with little inside yeah, these are not necessary. It don't have any pocket inside. It's just a little bucket. Isn't it so cute? But I stand up and show you how it fits, but I don't want y'all in my business. Yeah. So this is it. So this is my Mother's Day gift. Get into it. So this was purchased from the Coach outlet because me da look for it on their website. Whenever I see this on their website, me da see some other design. Me never like be really like into the other ones. I'm gonna find it on their outlet website. I'm gonna say why not. I can get it from there, so yes. So this was a cute gift. Love it. Yes, I love it. I'm in love. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeah. And the strap is long. So for like a tall girly, this will definitely work. Because I'm like what, 5'2", and this is pretty long. And you have the little strap with little holes that you can adjust it if you want. So there they are. Yep. Would I stand up? But I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember for commenting in the comment section if you like it, if you think it's cute. You can also get it for your girlfriend, you know, a wife, somebody that you like, or anybody that, you know, like cute bags or into these girly kind of thing. You can get it for them. Yeah. And this can wear with basically anything. You can go with black. It's just versatile. Okay, you can go with black, brown, anything. This can wear with. So it have a more versatile color that you can match with anything. Cause look at my brown, it's darker, and this will go perfect. So even like a black sandals, a gold sandals, a brown sandals, this can definitely wear with it. And it have the Coach tag up the side right here. You have a little dog tag saying Coach. Don't know if you can see it, but yeah. You can also get your name or whatever signature engraved at the back. Yeah. So I'm definitely gonna wear this outside. And inside, I don't know if you can see it over right here, there's the Coach signature sign in the bag. Yep, that is it. Now inside is brown. It's gonna look dark on the video, but inside is definitely brown. Yeah, this is going outside with me soon. And do they have a little Coach? I think there's like a Coach engraved right here. I think it's a Coach. Yeah, it does. Coach right here. Didn't realize that. Oh, I also have one right here. So I guess if your Coach bag don't have this, it ain't real. I didn't notice that. Well, if the bucket bag, this one, never realized it. So it have two of them. It have one right here at the front, to the side, and at the back it has one right here. Well, okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna be outside now, guys, so I'll definitely see you in my next vlog. Bye. Thanks for watching.